In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and use the latest Top 11 mod menu, and yes, it works on both Android and iOS devices. As you can see on the screen right now, this Top 11 mod menu gives you access to multiple in-game features, including unlimited tokens, along with several other advanced options available on both iOS and Android. Inside the mod menu, you'll find features such as unlimited tokens, rest, morale, cache, and much more, all designed to help you progress faster and dominate your matches with ease. Before getting started, the first thing you need to do is make sure your Top 11 game is updated to the latest version. To check this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Top 11, and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, then you're good to go. Next, scroll down and head over to the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I've explained step-by-step exactly where and how you can get Top 11 Double++. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!